Hey folks, big news from Huawei is stirring things up in the smartphone world. Before we jump into the details, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss any tech updates. Alright, here's the deal. Tech experts are buzzing about Huawei's big moves that could really shake up both Chinese and international markets. They're making waves with their latest Huawei Mate 60 series, and there's chatter about new Kirin chips and an M70 phone series on the horizon. This is huge because Huawei is already one of the top 5 smartphone brands in China as of late last year. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, Apple. Their sales in China went down by a whopping 133% in the last quarter of 2023. Even with discounts, Apple's sales revenue in China crashed from $23.9 billion to just $2.8 billion. Yep. You heard that right. Huawei's success is definitely playing a part in this. So, what's next for Huawei? I'm super pumped about the possibility of them launching their Harmony OS Next program worldwide. This could bring in loads of new customers and really heat up the competition with other tech giants. I'm all ears for your take on this. Drop a comment below and let's chat. If you liked this video, hit like, share it around, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech talk. Catch you next time. Peace out.